here's an easy trick. So when I was showing my African fabrics to people, one of the commenters said that some fabric that is made in Africa is not 100% cotton. This feels to me like it is, but it's probably worth testing. So here's how you do this. You just take some fabric and you get a match. And you set it on fire. So I've just cut a little piece out so that I don't waste all of my fabric. And you let it burn. Should have dried the bowl before I tested it. Let it cool down a little bit. So if it is cotton, then it will dry into ash, which it looks like it is drying into ash. If it was polyester, it would wind up being hardened. Let me see if I can find something polyester to burn. Okay, so let's try out a piece of polyester fabric. Here's proof that it's polyester. You can see there it says Shell 1, 100% polyester. Shell 2 is this lacy part, that's cotton. Okay, so now I'm going to light this one on fire. And you can see it's burning differently. It's turning into a plastic-like substance. Let it cool down a little bit. Okay. Now you can see that this, compared to the cotton, which looks like something that could easily be just powdered off, this one is harder, it's more plastic, and it's just a much different look to the cotton than it is to the plastic. So that's how you can tell whether your fabric is cotton or polyester. It just, when you burn it, you'll know exactly. If you want to mix your cotton fabric with your polyester fabric in a quilt, you can. Just make sure that you wash the cotton fabric so that it will shrink before you use it. My name is Shelina. This channel, Quilt and Color, is a variety show all about quilting. Please subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of the videos. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all of your support, and I'll see you in the next video.